Welcome back, guys. Cryptopholic channel. Today we want to talk about another super fundamental project, BIO Protocol with amazing guys on the board, Fonts and the Bakers, Ooze Labs. It's a previously Binance Labs, and this is the greatest example how this fancy, useless, fundamental token works. Because, guys, I explained to you, fundamental this time absolutely doesn't matter. And yes, it's a fact because fundamental and utility and the use case of this protocol. BIO Protocol is financial layer for decentralized science. So aimed at accelerating the flow of capital and the talent into on-chain science. Nice one, right? And take a look at the chart. Let me ask you, fundamental and utility of this protocol change it during this move since January 25, so half year, basically not. So fundamental and utility and the use case and the idea and the vision of this project here at $1.50 absolutely still the same like it here at 4 cents. But the difference is for investors in this startup, the difference is 3,500%. That's the point how the big guys shield us and retailers and everybody this cycle. The dream about do your own research. You don't have to do your own research. You have to just work with proper money management, risk management, and the zone of interest. And only now we trade even under the best zone to buy, Time to buy was accumulated. If you believe in this project, here 20 cents, at 13 cents, and around the yearly open or invalidation of this idea, up to your own risk. You can just close your eyes, delete all information, all bookmarks about this project, delete all social, Telegram, Twitter of this project or any other project, and just work with the chart. So this is a fact because fundamental of this project didn't change. And it's kind of sad, guys. It's kind of really sad how they shill us the dream about invest in the startups, invest in the good project because of, and some reasons why you have to invest in it, because it's a bullish project, because we work on something. Guys, it's just, they just dream sellers. The charts never lie. So, of course, it's only a retail's problem. Why do they listen all of this stuff? We work with the zone of interest. And at least if even you accumulated here in average like 15 cents, now you can be in losses like 54%. And from these current prices, coin just have to bounce, let's say like 100%, so it's not a big gains if we compare from these current prices, pump like 1,000% gains for people who buy in here, because the people wait some crazy gains from all of these dream sellers, because these projects are fundamental with crazy funds on the board. I hate it. I'm not hating BIO Protocol. No, I hate the model of this cycle. How the funds, how the early investors, get a priority to invest in some project earlier, while nobody can invest in it, and they get a priority to get tokens, while other people's can't. That's a big difference, because in 2017 there was the hype around the ICO rounds, when was a fair private rounds. Everybody can put money in and wait. Now, only the priority funds, market makers, some guys can invest the money and get the tokens earlier, because of the this was undisclosed round in November 2024. So here, Ooze Labs investor invest in this project. Definitely get some tokens, some allocation, right? And after that, distribute it after the 2 months, and list this project on own platform. So it's kind of weird, because it's kind of stupid system for this cycle. Do I believe this coin can hit new all-time high? Yes, easily. easily. Now it's a low cap token. So to hit $1, for example, we have to reach like 1.6, 1.7 bill market cap. For example, 2 bill market cap, it can be the $1 and around, let's say $3, it can be the new all-time high, around like 6 or 5 bill market cap. You know, it's possible. And it can be the end of cycle for this one. Now the market cap 139, FDV, not a big differences, you know, if we compare with other tokens, right? Differences between market cap and FDV. But the situation absolutely weird. Definitely weird, guys. Time to sell if this token not a pure scam, because I showed you today the BBL token, the social token, which dump it here, and even the SGX decide to delist it. So why the BIO can't drop like this one on the listing price and be delisted from the Binance? I don't think so. Of course, the BIO will be delisted, but only now is around this listing price or under the best zone to buy. It's okay, accumulate this stock. And here we get some tiny reaction from the okay zone to buy like 20% and dump it. Just dump, because some guys who get a lot of tokens, right? They can dump all the emission and press sell, and dump a market to even this prices like 4 cents. So definitely, if you accumulate it here at 77, and the guys who accumulated 5 cents, it's got a kind of big differences. I'm not recommend you guys also to spend and waste the money with a DCA strategy. DCA strategy, it's also sometimes can be absolutely useless strategy, because you can buy in here, for example, you get some amount of stable coins and everybody shill you, just use DCA, It's a stupid strategy. For example, you get like 1K here, you buying at $1, after that for 250. We split the 4 times. 250 here, $1, after that 60 cents, after that 30 cents, for example, and 5 cents. So in average, your entry could be around 50 cents. So now anyway, you're in crazy losses with that DCA strategy, and with the moment you don't have stable coins at all. And you wait to out at the break even, you need to wait 539% gains from some token if you use this absolutely randomly DCA. So guys, the main conclusion is, just forget about the fundamental. They can post whatever they want about all of these fancy projects. If you're interested, you can go and double check the last investigation about the move token. The great, maybe I'm gonna post some information for you to read about in the Telegram channel. Fundamental project, but now with a crazy investigation, some shady moves, right? The money laundering. So guys, all of these fancy fundamental projects is just a speculation at all. So let's check, guys. So what to do now? Up to you. Guys, up to you. If you believe in this project, if you believe this project can recover back, of course you can accumulate now, because we're on the best zone to buy with the targets. 100% profit from this one, current prices here. This block, for example, you can out and withdraw initial deposit and forget about this one and sleep well. Of course, we take an action or not. We can't know the future, guys. So in validation, it's a dump on the 3 cents. Maybe if the token will dump on the 3 cents around here, maybe I will take an action. Now I skip this token. I'm sick of it. This type of tokens, like I'm already with the Starknet and I'm already with the IAVO. At IAVO, at least I'm in a better position, But the situation absolutely is still the same. So guys, this is the zones. Now this zones will be the zone of fixation profit. So for example, you buy now at 8. Here at 16, you should withdraw initial deposit. At 20, after that 32, 42, and zone of fixation of swing position at 1.67 billion market capitalization at this block. If you don't know what I'm showing you here is a FIP, what we work with since a listing. And Salute to everybody who hop in here and scream we're going to the moon and laughing at this video, on the first video about a BO protocol, and tell me, no, you're absolutely wrong. At 66 cents, we go into the moon. You don't understand. So here is, it's going to be the good experience, a good lessons for you for the future. So take a look now, guys, with weekly time frame. This is how the touch and how the fundamental looks like. Yes. So now we talk about here. This is just the middle on a weekly. It can't be the greatest time ever for accumulation, but yes, this is not a crazy time ever for distribution. This is a market move still apheria, direction, no data, daily. Here it was accumulation. We formed a huge divergence on a daily. Now we can form divergence on a bearish one. So here, 1, 2, and I wish to test 13 cents, to see the rejection again here and the new low. That's it. The direction, we at the top, but without any signals to sell. Here was a capitulation. Here, how you can start accumulate token since February. So from 11 till 4, yes, you could use DCA with the 4 orders. Average entry could be, I don't know, around 7, I guess, or 8. So this is when you need to start use the DCA at the market mood, disbelief capitulation zone. Now it's once again some kind of trill zone on the market mood, on the daily, guys. Money power. Here, money inflow. This is how the whales use DCA. 1, so let's say 8 cents, 7 cents, 4 cents. Average entry could be 6. Pump to 10, and here's some money outflow. So usually they fix some profit. Now nothing. No signal to money inflow or signal to money outflow. Here was a local speculation with the signals to buy. How I recommend to use this set, to integrate it in your trading strategy. Take profit, guys. No data on the weekly and daily. What I like, what I don't like. I wish to see, of course, the test of the buy line again. Here was already test. Buy line now it's 5 cents 53. Fundamental value it's 4 cents 16. Take profit. This is what we can see here. Take profit 11 cents. Exit line 12.50. At 12.50 here, the guys who accumulated based on the money power indicator in average, they will out 100%. So this is it, and we can see something maybe with a weak candle test that block, and the summer can be here. So this is it. Timing can be different, June or June, so it's hard to say. 12-hour time frame, guys. So we here, this was a time to buy. Here was a time to sell. Buy line now it's 4 cents 39 on the 12-hour time frame. So guys, be careful with this type of fancy fundamental projects, and believe it or not, but when all markets recover back, right, all altcoins recover back, BTC dominance going under 50%, but BO token also going here, going to $1, for example, or maybe higher, and everybody start talking about, yes, take a look, this is a great project because of, and some random reasons why, but it's a fake, guys. It's absolutely fake, because I repeat, the fundamental of the project didn't change here or here. It's absolutely the same. That's why let's call all tokens just a speculation. So this is a fair. This will be more fair, right? And we pump and dump because of speculation of the market makers, not because of fundamental. So guys, if you would like to trade with my customer Chris said what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, his like button, his notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.